In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quizzes for funnels in GoHighLevel. Quizzes are a powerful way to engage your leads, qualify them, and capture useful information before they move deeper into your funnel. I'll walk you through the entire process from inside your GoHighLevel account so you can follow along step by step. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your main launchpad. This is the central dashboard where you access all the tools for your location. Once you're on the launchpad, look for the section labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on Sites. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all of your websites, funnels, forms, and importantly for us today, your quizzes. Inside the Sites area, find and click on Quizzes. This will open the Quiz Builder section. Here, you'll see any existing quizzes you've already created, and you'll also see an option to create a new one. Click on Add Quiz to start building a brand new quiz for your funnel. When the quiz builder opens, you'll see a canvas or page area that says something along the lines of drag and drop a question element here. On the left, there will be different quiz question elements you can use, such as multiple choice or other formats. Click and drag one of these quiz question elements onto the page area. This is how you add your first question. After dropping it in, you can customize the question text and the answer options to fit your funnel goal. If you want to separate your quiz questions from personal information fields, you can add additional pages. Click on Add New Page to create a new screen in your quiz. This is really helpful if you want the quiz to feel more conversational, or if you prefer to collect contact details at the end rather than up front. On this new page, you can now drag in personal information elements such as name, email, or phone fields. Simply click on the personal info elements from the sidebar and drag them onto the page, just like you did with the question elements. Structuring your quiz this way can increase completion rates because people answer a few questions first before being asked to share their details. Next, click on Settings. This is where you configure important options like adding your Facebook pixel for tracking and setting up the result page your leads will see after they complete the quiz. Take a moment here to connect any tracking you need and to customize what happens once someone finishes. To understand how your quiz is performing, click on Submissions. This section shows you submission analytics and individual response details, so you can see how many people are completing the quiz and what answers they're choosing. Before you finalize anything, it's a good idea to test it from the user's perspective. Click on Preview to see exactly what the quiz looks like and how it flows from page to page. If something feels confusing or out of order, go back and make adjustments. Once you're happy with how everything looks and works, click on Save. This locks in your quiz so you can plug it into your funnels and start collecting data from your leads.